Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for your health, especially if you're concerned about your kidneys. We're going to talk about the top 5 drinks that can help stop proteinuria and support your kidney health. Ready? Let's get started. 1. Berry smoothie, a delicious and nutritious blend of berries and other kidney-friendly fruits. Berries are packed with antioxidants that help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are key factors in kidney damage. Strawberries, for example, are rich in anthocyanins, which can help lower cholesterol levels and prevent plaque buildup in your arteries, improving blood flow to your kidneys. Blueberries are another great option, as they're loaded with antioxidants and fiber, which can help remove cholesterol from your blood. Honeysuckle berries and acai berries are also excellent choices. Honeysuckle berries may help filter out heavy metals and drug toxins, reducing the strain on your kidneys. Acai berries are rich in antioxidants that help prevent damage to kidney cells. 2. Turmeric milk. Turmeric is a spice that's been used for centuries in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine. The active component in turmeric, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect your kidneys from damage. It works by blocking the actions of cytokines, chemicals that cause inflammation and harm your kidneys. Making turmeric milk is easy. Just mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric with warm milk, add some black pepper, cinnamon, and a bit of honey or maple syrup, and heat it gently for about 10 minutes. 3. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is another fantastic drink for kidney health. Pomegranates are loaded with antioxidants, 3 times more than green tea. These antioxidants can help fight inflammation that worsens proteinuria. Pomegranate is also rich in vitamin K, which is crucial for kidney health, especially if you have chronic kidney disease, CKD. A study published in 2024 found that pomegranate juice can help protect kidneys from damage caused by lithium, a drug that can induce kidney damage. The antioxidants in pomegranate juice, such as vitamin C and E, anthocyanins, punicalagin, ellagic acid, and gallic acid, help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and harmful substances. 4. Lemon water. Lemon water is not just refreshing, it's also packed with kidney-friendly vitamins and minerals. Lemons contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and protect the kidneys from damage. Drinking lemon juice can also improve digestion and help regulate blood sugar levels, which is great for preventing diabetes-related kidney damage. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which helps repair cell damage and improve cholesterol levels. They also increase your citrate intake, which can help prevent kidney stones, a bonus for overall kidney health. 5. Cucumber juice. Cucumbers are low in calories and sugar, making them perfect for regulating blood sugar levels. They're also rich in antioxidants, which help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Cucumbers have a high water content, which helps keep you hydrated and supports kidney function. Plus, they have a mild diuretic effect, which can help reduce proteinuria. You can enjoy cucumber juice on its own, or mix it with other kidney-friendly ingredients like ginger, kale, celery, lemon, apples, or pineapples. And there you have it. 5 amazing drinks that can help stop proteinuria and support your kidney health. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have kidney disease. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. And don't forget to check out the links in the description box for more information and studies supporting our claims.